What's up guys, to another Animal Company video. Pretty much what we're doing today is I'm gonna defeat the lava ogre boss in the graveyard. Did I say I meant we. That's your signal, by the way. That's your signal, come out!
Yeah, man.
So anyway, I got an entire army of mech suits, and we're gonna defeat the lava ogre! Yeah! Mech users assemble! We are builders! That's not how we work it. Alright, we have to find a dark forest, and then
Ogre!
Watch out!
Kill the ogre and we'll kill him!
I got him! I killed him!
I forgot something. I don't have flashlights.
Whatever.
I don't have flashlights. Nobody has
Flashlight, I'm scared.
We're in the void!
No.
Kill every single monster that we see!
Nobody has.
Watch out, watch out! Get him!
None of us have
Obliterate!
flashlights.
Watch out!
We don't care! We don't care! We don't care! Go, go, go! Go! Move! Move! Angler! No more angler! We gotta go, we gotta go. Where's the graveyard? We gotta find the graveyard.
I know where graveyard is. It's over here.
I think it's by the entrance.
It's by over here. It's by the entrance.
That scared me.
Buddy,
Boys! You know what time
bro, I
it
just got
is!
the jump scare of my life.
Boys! Ooh, wait! Do those work on grenade launchers?
Mine used to have a shotgun, but it broke somehow.
No way.
Yes, like did you know if you go through a throat quarter while you're using a grappler, it like deletes.
I'm kickboxing. Stamp
My
them.
grappler got the
He used the key! Jump him!
So man, it's simple.
He activated the boss.
strong enough. That's the mini boss.
Get him, get him!
He runs.
Don't let him run! Don't let him run!
We have to kill him.
He's not doing any damage.
Man, you.
I'm kickboxing!
We have to get him. We got him.
There's zombies too!
No, he's still alive! I cannot see a thing!
Never mind. I'll take it. Go thing. Come on, let's go. Let's summon it. Never mind.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Ow! Ew, mama! That's a big boy! Watch out for your lantern clutcher! Attack! It's so laggy!
Wait, somebody use the Nullscape!
This game was not meant to handle this!
Oh man, I got you, Patrick. I got you.
Wait, does anyone have a Nova mech?
Where's the person that has the Nova Man?
I don't know. He probably died.
It's the head!
We do actually. We might be cooked. Get out of here. Yeah, guys, we have to retreat. We have to rethink our... Everyone go back to spawn. Alright, guys. That went horribly. But we have a plan. We're gonna go back with modified mech suits that utilize revolvers to use the lamps, which drop ammo, to spam the living hell
I know
out
what
of
to
the
do.
boss.
Yep,
And
I'm gonna use this.
we can steal the magma boss's life. And
bro. What are you doing?
That's all my bombs. He's really low.
Yeah, he's really low.
He hit me off of your arm. Bro. Yo, can you revive me? Can you revive me?
Okay,
He's
wait, let me get.
He's going away. Revive me, revive me.
Where's your body? Okay, wow,
Right there, it's right there. Go.
He is not home. He is not home.
Help me out here.
God, I'm gonna use heals. Come on.
Get me on, get me on.
I got
Your arm. No, let me on, bro.
I got bombs. I got bombs.
Oh shoot, we gotta move. We gotta move, bro. We gotta go. Don't get close. He's gonna hit us with his evil move. Yo, get to some ammo. Get some ammo. I need some ammo. Watch out! Oh my god. Yo, fly low to collect ammo. Fly low, get ammo. Did he die? He's dead! We did it!
Wait, let me get one.
We did it! We did it! Alright guys, we did it! We beat the lava boss! Yeah!
Chicken meat.
That'll be all for today's video. Oh my god!
Like and subscribe for more content like this.
At 100 subscribers, I'm doing a tutorial for the Steel Titan mech, and I'm still on fire, by the way. Everybody, you know what we must do. Execute the camera.
Like and subscribe.
Destroy the camera.
Subscribe.